The highly anticipated OnePlus 7 is finally here. It is the successor to the OnePlus 6T, which has proven its mettle in a flagship segment. The update is in the typical OnePlus fashion, but this time around it features a quite bit of change. Hey guys, this is Vignesh from Phone Arena and you're watching OnePlus 7 unboxing. We have a reviewer's kit over here packed in a massive big box. Opening it, we have another couple of boxes inside. To the right, we have a red box inside which we have 3 cases. A sandstone case, red silicone case, and a nylon bumper case. To the left, we have the main subject, the OnePlus 7. The packaging is no different from its predecessor and has a OnePlus's touch with the white and red combination. Opening the box, we have a translucent case, a paper documents, SIM tray ejector, a OnePlus 7 in red color, dash charger, and a USB Type-C cable. Notably, the box content doesn't include 3.5mm jack audio connector. In terms of look and feel, the OnePlus 7 looks almost similar to the OnePlus 6T except for few differences. First, the OnePlus 7 weighs 182 grams, which is 3 grams lesser than the OnePlus 6T. The OnePlus 7 has a robust build with a glass on both the front and back, which is held together with a metal chassis. The right side of the smartphone is occupied by the power button and the sound profile selector, while the left side is occupied by the volume rockers and a SIM card slot. The OnePlus 7 sports a 6.41-inch display with a small water drop notch which houses a bunch of sensors and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. On the back, we have a dual camera setup with a big bump unlike its predecessor. Under the hood, the OnePlus 7 packs a 3700 mAh battery similar to that of OnePlus 6T. Talking about the similarities, the new device also features an in-display fingerprint scanner along with the support for face unlock and the pattern locks. One of the key highlights over the OnePlus 7 is its chipset. The smartphone is powered by the latest and the powerful Snapdragon 855 chipset with Adreno 640 as GPU. The chipset is manufactured using a 7nm fabrication process which makes it highly power efficient when compared to Snapdragon 845. The OnePlus 7 sports a dual camera setup on the back which is vertically arranged that slightly protrudes out of the back panel. The setup consists of 14-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.6 aperture and a 5-megapixel secondary camera with f2.4 aperture. The smartphone runs on Oxygen OS 9, which is built on top of the latest Android 9 Pie with the features including Zen mode and screen recording. It also packs a dual stereo speakers which are Dolby Atmos certified that delivers a loud and clear audio output. The OnePlus 7 comes in mirror grey and red color variant and it is priced at Rs 32,999 for the 6GB RAM and a 128GB storage version, and the 8GB RAM with 256GB version in red costs around 37,999. The mirror grey variant will be on sale on June 4th, 12 PM onwards on Amazon India, OnePlus India and all OnePlus exclusive offline stores. This is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.